Okay, so now that you have all of the correct tabs open, let's start your test. So we're here in our Google form, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get to our Edge Elastic test and then back so that you can hear me read each question. So right now I'm going to read to you question number 1. Now here's the thing. You have to answer question number 1 right here in order to receive credit. You have to put in the correct answers here in order to receive credit. So just answering, did you answer both parts of question number 1? Answering that yes does not mean that you get credit unless you really did. Okay? So I'm going to switch back over to my test and I'm going to read it to you now. Remember, you can pause this video. You can watch it 100 times if you need to hear me read the question. Question 1 says, the clock shows what time Diaz starts eating breakfast. A. What time does he start eating breakfast? Put your hour here, your minutes here. B. It takes Diaz 12 minutes to eat breakfast. What time does he finish eating? Your hour goes here, your minutes go here. Remember to pay close attention to your clock. See where your hour hand is pointing and your minute hand is pointing.